small steps, Kaizen culture all the time, take baby steps and improve operation, whether it is manufacturing, marketing, at vendors, at dealers, so that we work in a proper alignment towards common objective of customer satisfaction. And always PDCA cycle is always running in our body. We are always very close to a market wherever we have plants. As you know, Tata Group is famous for their CSR activities. So we spend good amount of money on, we have adopted schools, we are funding some of the hospitals, we are running operator training centers, and we are doing many of these activities and we have not stopped this activity.